Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a closer look at GoPro Sling, which is a crossbody pack. So this accessory is only available on GoPro website and it's a part of lifestyle gear. Alright guys, so this is how the product came to me by post, and without further ado, let's take a look inside. Alright guys, so this is how this accessory looks like. So the whole reason I decided to get this product is that whenever I go for a small or short trip, I don't necessarily want to take a huge backpack with me just because I want to take a camera and one or two accessories with me. So I think that that's gonna be an amazing accessory if you want to put, for example, a small tripod, maybe a GoPro camera, a couple of snacks, a couple of batteries, and you just want to go for a short day trip. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at it now. As you see, there are two zippers, one at the top and one at the bottom, and those zippers have a zipper cover on them. So it's gonna protect your gear from rain or water, but this bag is weather resistant, so it's not gonna be fully waterproof. Alright guys, so let's open the bottom pocket and see what's inside. So as you see, it's a very simple pocket. There are no compartments inside, so you can put, for example, like one big accessory in it, or perhaps maybe your phone or your keys inside. And now let's open the pocket that's at the top of it. It's a much bigger pocket with a silicone gel in it. And as you guys see, there is another zipper with a second compartment inside. So I already know that it's gonna be good if you want to put your thumb screws and other sharp elements, so you protect your gear from scratching. Also at the side there's a small strap, so you can use it to attach your keys so they are not gonna be flying around all over your bag. And now if you look closely, behind that zipper there is a second compartment with two pockets in it. So you can store some smaller items, like for example a camera or maybe a couple of batteries in it. And it's a really wide pocket to put some of your accessories into it. Now if you look closely, in front of that zipper pocket you have an additional space to put some of your larger items, such as for example a GoPro 3-way. It's gonna fit in there quite nicely, as you guys see. Or maybe a GoPro Shorty, or any other objects. Obviously, you're not gonna fit an El Grande in it. So at the back of our GoPro Sling, we have an adjustable strap, so you can loosen it or maybe make it tighter, depends how you want. And you can always quickly unclip it or clip it, depends what you wanna do with it. So I don't think someone's gonna steal it from you that easily. Alright guys, so let's take a couple of items such as a wallet, maybe phone, keys, a GoPro camera and some accessories just to give you a basic idea how you can use this product. Alright guys, so as I said, the whole reason I decided to get this product is simply because I want to get rid of a huge backpack, just because I want to carry a GoPro camera and a couple of accessories with me. So having this is simply gonna be easier for me. So guys, if you are interested in this product, then the only way you can get it is from a GoPro website. If you have a GoPro Plus subscription, you can get it for as low as $35. Without, it's gonna cost you 50 bucks, so it's a little bit expensive. Alright guys, so for today's video, that's it. And if you like that content, then all I can ask you is to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up. This way you're gonna help me grow and build this channel, and I really like to thank you for that. Thank you guys once again for watching this video, and see you in the next one.